This is an elzett Nova that I purchased from Hazakazad in Hungary, or John Dow. This thing gave me no end of trouble. It took me, I got it open and I couldn't get it open again, and I couldn't figure out why. I was getting frustrated, and I was talking to Georgia Jim, and he said it's probably just the warding giving you problems. So I got home and I pulled out every single pick I have: Covert Instruments, Rob Lawn, Jimmy Long, Smokey, Peterson, multi-pick, and I went through and tried to find something that will work. And the thing that I found that works the best is the Rob Long, or I'm sorry, the Jimmy Long deep reach. So I'm gonna try to get this on camera. So nothing on one, maybe something on two, nothing on three, 4, 5. So 1, 2, little click, couple of clicks out of 3, nothing on 4, nothing on 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And I just dropped everything. That's okay, because I think I was hopelessly chasing to 3, 4, 5. 1, something out of 2, 3, 4, something out of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe something out of 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Click out of 4. Maybe a click out of 5. And 1, and it's open. But yeah, that's the elzett Nova. That thing gave me a heck of a time.